how you can add a credit account or credit card as your payment method in your Shopify. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us just start. First, open up your web browser and go for Shopify. Now after you open Shopify, make sure that you're logged into it. Now log in if you have not. I'm just gonna log in right now. And as you can see, I'm logged in. Now here what you need to do is go to the settings on the bottom left. Now after you go there, there is a payments option right here. You can see it right there. Tap on it and open your payment section. Now right here you will see an add payment method option. Tap on it. And right here you will be able to search your credit card. Tap on your card, and after you tap on your card, just choose one. Now just choose one. I'm just going to choose the top one, and after I do so, just follow along and you will be able to use your credit card by adding it as your payment method. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you use your Shopify. That is how you use your Shopify to add a payment method. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.